Hello student, I am Pramod sir, your math teacher. Welcome to everybody today's online class. Student, as you know, I have finished chapter number 5. So today student, I am going to start your new chapter number 6. The triangle and its properties. The name of your chapter is the triangle and its property. So student, we start the exercise directly, but which important point you need for solving the exercise, each exercise of the chapter 6, I will discuss there. Means in exercise we discuss the important point. So student, before starting the exercise 6.1, we have to know some important point. As you know student, the name of your chapter is triangle and its property. So student, firstly we study about the triangle. We should know what is the triangle. Triangle क्या होता है? ट्रायंगल क्या होता है? सबसे पहले हम ट्रायंगल की बात करेंगे. ट्रायंगल, व्हाट इज द ट्रायंगल? स्टूडेंट, ट्रायंगल इज अ पॉलीगॉन, और यू कैन से ट्रायंगल इज अ क्लोज्ड फिगर विच इज बाउंडेड बाय 3 लाइन सेगमेंट, which is bounded by 3 line segment. In one line you can say triangle is a polygon. What will you say? Triangle is a polygon which is bounded by 3 line segment. 3 line segment. And everybody are familiar to the figure of triangle. This is triangle, you know. This is a closed figure student, and this is a polygon. Polygon is a closed figure which is made by more than 2 straight line segment. 2 से अधिक लाइन सेगमेंट से बना होता पॉलीगन, and polygon is a closed figure. So student, you can say that triangle is a closed figure which is bounded by 3 line segment. This is a triangle. And student, what are you seeing in the triangle? Triangle is made by, triangle has 6 elements student. 6 element. What? 3 sides and 3 angles. You are seeing. You know, where 2 line segments meet at a point, they form the angle. So this line and this line meet at this point. Suppose that the name of this point is A, name of this point is B, and name of this point is C. So this is angle. Angle is formed here. Angle formed here also. Angle formed here also. So student, if anyone asks you how many elements in triangle, your answer will be 6. 3 sides and 3 angles. 1, 2, 3 angles. 1, 2, 3 sides. And student, one thing you are seeing also here, 3 vertex also. This is the vertex. This is the vertex. This is the vertex of the triangle. ये triangle के vertex हैं. Triangle के vertex हैं ये. Where 2 sides meet, they form the vertex. जहाँ पर 2 साइडें मिलती हैं वो vertex बनाती हैं. Vertex होता है वहाँ पर. That is called vertex. जिस पॉइंट पर मिलती हैं. टू लाइंस जिस पॉइंट पर मिलती हैं उसे क्या कहते हैं? वर्टेक्स कहते हैं, दैट इज वर्टेक्स. So student, this is the triangle. Now some question you can raise that, sir, how many types of triangle? So student, here there are mainly two types triangle based on angles and based on side. But in category of based on triangle, there are three types. Based on side, there are three types. Triangle. Which student? Triangle based on sides. According to side. How many types of triangle? According to side. साइड के अकॉर्डिंग अगर बताना हुआ आपको तो कितने टाइप के ट्रायंगल होंगे? 1, 2 and 3. But if we require to based on angles, based on angle, there are three types. You know very well. I have told you in class 6. Based on sides and based on angles. How many types of triangle? Total there are 6 types of triangle. You are seeing here. You know the name. Based on side, first is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle based on side. Scalene triangle, isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, student. And if we talk about the types of triangle based on angle, acute angle triangle, you know, acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, and last is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. If we talk about the definition of all these types of triangle, then we take the first equilateral triangle, student. Equilateral triangle, you know, that triangle which all sides are equal. That is called equilateral triangle. All sides are equal. अगर ट्रायंगल के सभी साइड इक्वल हैं, suppose that this is the triangle, if this side equal to this side and equal to this side, then you can say that this triangle is equilateral triangle. All sides are equal. And scalene triangle, if there is no any sides are equal, अगर कोई भी साइड इक्वल नहीं है तो उसे क्या बोलेंगे? स्केलेन ट्रायंगल. एंड अगर कोई भी साइड इक्वल नहीं है, सपोज दैट कोई भी साइड इसका इक्वल नहीं है, सपोज दैट दिस इज 5 सेंटीमीटर, दिस इज 7 सेंटीमीटर एंड दिस इज 3 सेंटीमीटर. So student, this is a scalene triangle because there is no sides are equal, कोई भी साइड इक्वल नहीं है, साइड इक्वल नहीं है. सो दिस इज द स्केलेन ट्रायंगल. आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल स्टूडेंट, दैट ट्रायंगल विच टू साइड्स आर इक्वल, टू साइड्स आर इक्वल, जिसकी दो साइड इक्वल होती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल. दैट ट्रायंगल विच टू साइड्स आर इक्वल, जिसकी दो साइड इक्वल होती है, उसे क्या कहते हैं? आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल. So student, these three types triangles based on side, according to based on side. And second type is based on angles. Based on angle, acute angle triangle. That triangle which all angles is less than 90 degree. Each angle is less than 90 degree is called the acute angle. ऐसा ट्रायंगल जिसके सभी एंगल acute हो, मीन्स 90 डिग्री से कम हो, दैट इज कॉल्ड acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle, that triangle which one angle is more than 90 degree, more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, more than 90 degree, one angle is greater than 90 degree, then the triangle is called an obtuse angle triangle. One angle is more than 90 degree. लुक हियर स्टूडेंट, आप देखिए ये एंगल जो है ग्रेटर देन 90 डिग्री, 90 डिग्री से ज़्यादा है. सो दिस इज ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल ट्रायंगल, दिस इज ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल ट्रायंगल. एंड राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल, दैट ट्रायंगल विच वन एंगल इज 90 डिग्री, राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल इज कॉल्ड द राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. एग्जाम्पल, लुक हियर, one angle is 90 degree is called the right angle triangle. I am not taking seriously student this, because you have already studied in class 6 these types of angle. So student, this is your definition of the triangle, types of the triangle based on sides and based on angles. So student, second topic is I am taking median of a triangle. If you have book student, you can see the definition. Median of triangles. A median connects a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side, So student, median, what is the median of the triangle? A median connects a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side, to the midpoint of opposite side. Suppose that student, this is the triangle, this is the triangle A, B and C. You know this triangle has the three vertex. This is the vertex, this is the vertex, this is the vertex. अब डेफिनेशन अपनी देखिए आप. A median connects a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite sides. You can take any vertex, कोई भी vertex ले लीजिए, and opposite sides of the vertex, इस vertex का opposite side कौन सा है? ये, और इसका opposite side कौन सा है? ये, इसके सामने, and इसका opposite side कौन सा है? ये. So median connects a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. आप इस वर्टेक्स से ऐसी लाइन ड्रॉ करिए जो अपोजिट साइड को टू इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड कर दे. दैट इज द मीडियन. मीन्स सपोज दैट द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ दिस लाइन इज दिस. सपोज दैट स्टूडेंट, दिस इज द मिड पॉइंट. नाउ ज्वाइन both point like this. This is the median, this is the median of the triangle. As same student, you can draw the median from vertex B, and the opposite side of the vertex B is AC and midpoint this. So you can meet this point and this point. You will get the median. As same student, the opposite side of the vertex is AB, AB, and midpoint of AB is suppose at this point, and if you meet this point and this vertex, you will get the median. So I hope student you have understood the median of the triangle. Median connects a vertex of triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. midpoint पर होना चाहिए, midpoint से मिलाना है vertex को, vertex को vertex के opposite side के midpoint से मिलाती हुई जो लाइन आप ड्रॉ करेंगे that is the median. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप इस वर्टेक्स से कोई भी लाइन ड्रा कर दीजिए, दिस इज मीडियन, दिस इज मीडियन, दिस इज नो, इट्स रॉन्ग, इट्स रॉन्ग, इट्स रॉन्ग, बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ अपोजिट साइड. बीसी का अपोजिट साइड मिड पॉइंट नहीं है, मिड पॉइंट नहीं है, मिड पॉइंट नहीं है. सो दिस इज नॉट मीडियन. सो आई होप स्टूडेंट यू हैव अंडरस्टूड अबाउट द मीडियन. So come to the next point student. Next point is student, next point is student, yes, altitude of the triangle. altitude of the triangle. The perpendicular line segment from a vertex line segment from a vertex of a triangle to its opposite side is called an altitude of the triangle. क्या कह रहा है स्टूडेंट? द परपेंडिकुलर लाइन सेगमेंट फ्रॉम अ वर्टेक्स ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल टू इट्स अपोजिट साइड इज कॉल्ड एन अल्टीट्यूड ऑफ द ट्रायंगल. परपेंडिकुलर लाइन, that line which made the 90-degree angle. अब देखिए, this is a line, this is called perpendicular line. No. This is called perpendicular line. No. This is called perpendicular line. No. But this is called perpendicular line because this line is made the 90-degree angle with line AB. AB लाइन के साथ कितने डिग्री का एंगल बना रही है? 90 डिग्री का एंगल बना रही है. So this is called perpendicular line. So student, altitude of the triangle, the perpendicular line segment from a vertex of a triangle to its opposite side is called an altitude of the triangle. Suppose that this is the triangle. So from any vertex you can draw the perpendicular line to its opposite side, that is called altitude. So student, this is called altitude of the triangle because this line may form the 90-degree angle with this line. If we write the name of the triangle ABC, AD, line AD is the altitude of the triangle ABC. Why? Because this line form the 90-degree angle with line BC. क्योंकि इसके साथ ही 90 डिग्री का एंगल बना रहा है. दिस इज perpendicular line. So we can say that the perpendicular line segment from a vertex of a triangle to its opposite side, vertex के opposite side पर अगर हम perpendicular line ड्रा करें, then that is called altitude. This is called altitude. This is altitude line. So student, I hope you have understood these topics very well. So in my next video student, I will start your exercise 6.1. So thank you student, thank you very much.